Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living. It is a very blustery November day, the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm excited because I have the December Joyful Jordan box to share with you. So if you're seeing this before December 1st, then congratulations, you're getting a sneak peek. And if it's December 1st, then welcome to December. Either way, thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for more and welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living. Thanks again for joining me. I'm so glad you're here. So as I mentioned, this is the December Joyful Jordan box. And if you're brand new, I am a consultant with Jordan Essentials and I have been since 2004. I continue to love all the products and the company. The heart and the values are just above anything else I've come across anywhere else in my life. So I continue to love being a part of it. Quality is there, the ingredients are great, it's healthy for my family, for myself, for my home. I just love it. So our Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box. You can choose to get a subscription if you want, and when you subscribe, then you have free shipping. The box is $30 and it's going to be an exclusive collection of products each month, valued at least $40 per month. So you're getting a savings on your products. Plus, you're getting to try new and exclusive things that are not in the regular catalog. Often there are new or exclusive scents. Sometimes it's a bring back scent like this collection, which is a popular one we've had for the last several years around this time of year. So people that have had their collection similar to this before have been asking me for more because they ran out. So I'm so happy that I can bring them a new collection to start using some of their favorite products again. So without further ado, let's take a look at this December Joyful Jordan box. It is a little box of awesomeness, and the sun is peeking through the window, so there might be a few spots of sunshine you can see. So this month, the box is valued at $45.50. So at $30, you're getting a really great deal on these products. Here is our card this month. It says, "Self-care starts from the ground up. Treat yourself to pure peppermint joy." And this is based on a Bible verse from James chapter 1, verse 2. And each box does come with a card similar to this where it'll have a little inspirational message on the front. And then on the back, it'll tell us what's in the box. And I mentioned last month in November, I took the card out of the box, put it in a little frame from the dollar store. And this has been a fun little accessory sitting on my desk and just kind of keeping things seasonal and fresh, and it's a quick little decor piece. But if you're gifting this box, the nice part is the back of the card is going to tell you how to use the products and what the benefits are. So the first item we have is our Tootsie Tingle. This is a peppermint foot scrub, and I also let people know you can use this on your whole body. It's essentially a really nice exfoliating shower gel with the peppermint essential oil. And this does have, well, I'll read it to you here. So it's a peppermint foot scrub. This is a 4-ounce tube. It has cosmetic grade walnut shells, which gently polish away dry skin. And it's a refreshing tingle that awakens your senses. So you can use this for a mini spa for your feet. It's also great on elbows or knees, or just put a little on your washcloth or your loofah and use it as a shower gel to get a little extra exfoliating. It says, how to use: apply to a loofah or washcloth, scrub heels and balls of feet to reveal smoother, softer skin. So it's also really nice after the summer months when you've been wearing sandals and flip-flops and your feet kind of get dried out and rough. This is a really refreshing one too. Or this time of year when you're on your feet all day, cooking and baking and preparing and wrapping gifts, then you can treat your feet with this Tootsie Tingle. And it really is an amazing way to refresh your feet. Anything like this that is exfoliating and kind of stimulating to the skin on your feet is also really great just to refresh your feet and help them feel better. If you have trouble with neuropathy or poor circulation, it's going to help increase circulation just because of that aspect of exfoliating and kind of stimulating the skin on your feet. So really good product there. It's a great one to gift to guys or girls, and is a nice little staple that a lot of people like to keep on hand whenever this collection comes back out. We've had this foot care collection in some capacity for probably 5 or 6 years. For a while it was in the catalog, then it was gone, then it came back, and it's been in a Joyful Jordan box here and there too. So I'm glad when it comes back around so people can stock back up. All right, next we have our Peppy Pamper. So this is our Shea body butter with the peppermint essential oil. This is a little 2-ounce jar, and I love it when they put shea butter in these little jars because you can get every last drop of the product out. You can make sure you take advantage of everything. There's nothing that gets stuck in a tube. So it says pure and natural shea butter that deeply hydrates and smooths from head to toe, a rich, soothing essential for healthy, radiant skin. How to use, you're just going to, after you dry your feet, indulge in a warm, rich massage anywhere that needs extra hydration. And a little pro mom tip, Dr. Mom tip from myself is I like to keep this peppermint essential oil shea butter around, and actually even this next product we'll talk about. It's really good for stuffy noses and congestion. So I keep one in my daughter's room in her nightstand. So if she's got a cold or allergies, we rub it a little bit on her chest and sometimes even on her upper lip, like right around her nose if she's really having a hard time breathing, because that peppermint really helps to open up airways when you feel all stuffy, like you can't breathe through your nose. A lot of times a little bit of that around her chest and nose helps to open everything up, and then she can breathe and sleep better. So I'm definitely going to be grabbing several of these boxes because I need to have a lot on hand to get through the next year because we don't know when this box will come back. So this collection is only around for December 2025. I almost said 2026, but we're not there yet. So you can get this starting December 1st and all the way through December 31st. But after that, I don't know when or if you'll be able to get it again. So if you think you want some of these products and you might want to stock up, grab them sometime in December. All right, our third product is the Mintalicious Magic. So this is a peppermint Pedi stick, and this is a beeswax stick. It's got the peppermint essential oil and some extra soothing and emollientating ingredients as well. So I'll read all about it here. Seal in softness with this minty balm that cools, soothes, smooths, and refreshes tired feet, infused with magnesium to calm, comfort, and nourish. How to use, glide directly over heels and balls of feet to lock in moisture for easy, mess-free hydration. So the benefit of the Mintalicious Magic Peppermint Stick is it does have magnesium, like it mentioned, so you're going to get the benefits of the topical magnesium. So that's just great for refreshing and soothing tired muscles. And the peppermint, either in the shea butter or in the stick here, both of those are going to do a nice job of kind of cooling and soothing your feet, helping them feel refreshed. And this peppermint Pedi stick could also be used in the same way like I mentioned with the shea butter. If you've got a stuffy nose, you could rub a little bit around your nose or your upper lip, and that'll help you breathe better. I also like this one as a little pocket, kind of like do a little bit of everything tube to put in my purse, because the shea butter and the beeswax that's in it is great for just moisturizing your skin. So sometimes I'll just take it and rub it all over my skin, or I'll do my cuticles. The magnesium is going to be really good. So if you're having a headache, you could put this around your temples or your forehead, and between the peppermint and the magnesium, it's going to help with that. Sometimes if my daughter's out and we get, a bug bite, peppermint is great because that's going to soothe the itch. So I'll just kind of keep this on hand for doing a lot of different purposes around the house and on the go if we put it in my purse. But it's also just great as a foot treatment if you want to use it to really add some extra moisture and kind of seal in the moisture on your feet after you've done a good scrub and added that shea butter. Then you can kind of have this to seal the deal. And of course, our Joyful Jordan boxes come with these biodegradable packing peanuts. So these dissolve in water. I can't remember if they're made from corn or soy, but they're made from a product like that where it's just a natural biodegradable product, and they just wash down the drain. Or they're really fun to do projects with kids. If you like tap the end on a damp washcloth, then you can stick it to the next one, and then they can have fun building things. And then when you're done, you can just throw it out in the yard and put the hose on it or whatever. So this is a really fun collection. And then I am going to tell you a little bit about the December specials besides this. So every month, besides our exclusive Joyful Jordan box, which, like I said, it'll change every month. It's very seasonal. So sometimes it's a collection of face care products if it's a time of year where we all kind of need to get a glow up on our face, or it might be things like this. This is all about our feet. So it's a fun little collection. But besides that, every month we also have a customer special. And the way the customer special works is if you spend $50, then you get that item for $5. And this month, our customer special is going to be the Lavender Dead Sea Salt Soak. And it's going to come in this cute little tube. So it's a great one to gift. And at $5, you're getting to try out one of our really good Dead Sea Salt products and get that as a little bit of a stocking stuffer if you want. If you need something in your own stocking or you're looking for a few teacher gifts, this could be a good one. And besides just the benefits of lavender, because of course lavender essential oil is great for soothing and calming and relaxing, but you're also going to have the benefits of the Dead Sea salt. So the Dead Sea is the lowest, I think I'm right about this, I could be wrong, but I think it's the lowest body of water in the world. So it has 21 minerals that are just present in it because of how it's located on the earth. And our body needs those minerals. It's calcium and magnesium and a bunch of other good minerals, which I can never remember, but I'll put them on the screen if I can find the graphic that shares about it. And the really cool thing is, even though salt is something that detoxifies, so if you use like an Epsom salt and soak your feet in it or soak in a bath, it is going to pull out toxins from our body, and Dead Sea salts will do that as well. But the benefit of the Dead Sea salt versus just an Epsom salt is those 21 minerals actually go through your skin and back into your body. So your body is getting a twofold benefit where you get detoxified and you get nourished with those minerals that your body needs, because anything you put on your skin is in your bloodstream in 26 seconds. So soaking your feet or soaking in a tub is going to help nourish your body with those minerals. And it's also really good to soak your feet because your feet have the largest pores on your body. And so things can move in and out through those pores really easily when you soak your feet. So plus it just feels good. So that's a really good deal for $5. It's not something we have in the catalog. So the only way to get it is through the customer special. And if you bought a Joyful Jordan box and maybe one or two of our other gift bundles for the holidays, you'd be at that $50 mark, and you could add that little $5 bonus and have an extra gift for yourself or to put in someone's stocking, which would be fun too. Then let's talk about our host special. So the host special this month is going to be a Sweet Dreams Duo. So it's our Sleep Essential Oil blend, which has lavender, sweet orange, and chamomile. And that's going to be in a magnesium hand and body lotion. So that is exclusive. You cannot get that anywhere else in the catalog. And you're going to get it with this cooling eye gel mask so that you can just relax and rest and cool the eyes, which is great too. So a lot of fun treats you can have. Anytime you host a party, you have benefits like this. You can get these exclusive items, you get free and half price product. And hosting a party doesn't necessarily mean having people in your home. You can do a text group party where I text some of the information to you and your friends, and then people go to your special shopping link and purchase whatever they want to purchase, and then you get your deals based on that. We could do it through Facebook Messenger. We can do even a catalog show where I send you some catalogs and samples, and you just take those around with you for a couple of days, and people can do the same thing. They order off of your special website that I'll send. That'll be your shopping link. So any way that you host a party, you have the option to get some of these fun benefits like our host special when your party gets to $500. And when you get higher than that, there's even more benefits. So it's a fun thing to keep in mind. And finally, if you're thinking, well, I like these products and I want to get a bunch of things, but I can't afford to just buy them how they're listed in the catalog, you might think about joining. So the month of December, our huge collection of products that comes in our starter kit is half off. So for $24.50, you get this collection of products. It does give you the 3 months free of your website, because when you join, you are starting a business. Now, whether you use that business just for you and your family to get a bit of a discount on your products, or at some point you decide I'm going to make this more of a business, and then you're really sharing it with friends and family and, talking about it more, and you get your commission off those sales, then that's a way to go too. But either way, if you just want to try it out for 3 months, you get your website for free for 3 months. Normally it's $10 a month. And then you get this collection of products in your starter kit. You have your 25% discount on everything that you purchase. So it's a really great way to just kind of jump in. Doesn't cost much. It's costing less than the Joyful Jordan box. So for $24.50 versus $30 for the Joyful Jordan box, you can start and get these products and get your website up and just kind of check it out, try it on, see what you think. And if in 3 months you think, yep, it's not for me, I got to enjoy these products, but I don't think I want to do anything more than go back to being a customer, you can always do that too. So I just like to share that because I love when people join my team. And whether you just joined for the discount and getting the kit, or you really are wanting to make a business out of it, it's fine. Our lives change. I've done both. I started for the discount. I made a business of it a few years ago when our family situation changed. And now I love helping other people do whatever works best for them. So that's everything I have to share for you for December 2025. Of course, we have our great collection of products here with our Joyful Jordan box, plus all the December specials. And there are still a few more sales coming at the end of December. So stay tuned and keep your eyes open on my website and here on YouTube. I'll share about that as it comes up. Plus we have our holiday collection and gift guide, which there's a bunch of amazing products there too that are not in the regular catalog. So if you're still looking for gifts, this is a great time to jump in there and buy those. Get them shipped to you. Everything's made in Missouri, so it's a great USA made company and products are made there. It's owned by a woman and has lots of great people involved. It's a faith-based company and I just love it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to try to answer those. Take a look in the description box and you'll find my special shopping link. If you want to join, there's information down there. You can click through and read that. If you want to see those different catalogs, just click into my website and you'll see everything there. And happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for being here. It's always just one of those things that I stop and count my blessings about. What an amazing opportunity this is. How much I love connecting with people all over the United States through social media, of all things, through YouTube and email and all the different places, and how great that we can just support one another and keep trying to nurture wellness naturally through little things like choosing products that are healthy for our family and our home. All right, thanks again. I really appreciate you and have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you again soon. And if you're seeing this in December, then Merry Christmas. I know that's right around the corner too. Happy holidays. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.